Welcome to Johnson Woods State Nature Preserve in memory of Andrew C. Johnson. Okay, go stand in front. And in front of us we have Garrett Worrell, adventurer extraordinaire. Let's begin.
I just hit it.
Here's the parking lot. You gotta be careful. There's a nice big cornfield and there's a farmer. Come on, Garrett. This is the lonely road of solitude. Gotta watch out for it. Closed at dusk. Here. The story of WB and AC. There once lived a person named William Burr and Andrea Cugliari. They came to the woods one late night in hopes to find the mysterious truffle mushrooms. As they started adventuring into the woods, a storm came through. And it was a real violent storm. Ended up flooding the whole area here. And they were never to be seen again. They had to build this floating bridge that we stand on now so that anytime that it rains, it rises up so that we're all protected. Some say that when you're out here, if you're quiet, you can still hear them I'm just joking. Garrett and I thought we would tell some stories about people as we see their names on trees. Oh, WC. Maybe there was something to that story that we were telling. What the heck was that?
Yeah.
That thing hissed. Stay back.
Let's go. I don't think that's good. Yeah. Dad?
No, you're okay, Garrett. It was crazy cool.
There it is.
What?
No, wait. I saw it. You were under here. Oh, there's a hole.
Yep, just keep walking. Cool. Garrett, what do you think that was?
A snake?
No, that wasn't a snake.
A
No,
hissing frog?
could be.
A hissing cockroach?
I've never heard a noise like that before.
Mm-hmm.
It sounded like air coming out of a balloon really fast.
Is it a hornet? There's people over there.
Garrett, don't film the people, okay?
Okay. You can just blow them out.
No. Just keep it off to the side. Okay. There you go. Get that butterfly. See if you can get the butterfly. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
Cool.
Okay.
That tree. Probably came down in a really powerful windstorm.
The tornado? You know about tornado?
Maybe.
Might be a tornado.
Keep facing that direction. Cool smell, huh?
Yeah.